Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are. My channel still remains ineligible for monetization. I guess I must have misunderstood what it was they were trying to get me to do when I made that video. I thought it was kind of like hours, watch hours or something, but no. Apparently, the appeal did not contain enough visual examples of your filming, editing, or creative process. Our reviewers did not find enough information in your video appeal to confirm if you own the content or if you made substantial changes to someone else's original work. I don't use anyone else's original work. I don't usually highlight any videos like that. I don't use their videos. I don't understand why I have to prove that I'm using my videos when YouTube reviewers should be proving that I'm using someone else's videos. That's what I think. All right, so it still says reused content. Yeah, not sure why they think it's reused content. It's not my reused content. Apparently, it's somebody else's. So now they say, make changes to your channel to address the initial feedback shown in step 2, and then you can reapply starting August 13th, 2025, as long as your channel meets the following requirements. Well, I won't be reapplying. I really don't give a flying shit if I get paid by YouTube or not. They take too much of it anyways. I don't even know how I'm getting the donations that are being donated to YouTube. So here I'm going to click on my photos so that it shows that those are my photos, these are my videos, these are all my videos. This is where I use my camera to take video. See, here's one.
Yeah, Karen.
Yep. That's
Nobody told you to go back to Mexico. God, girl, you saw a lie.
No. Mm-mm. This is one where I was going by myself doing an audit, not use video. I think you guys should prove to me that I'm using somebody else's content because I can prove to you that I'm not. These are all my original videos. You got the council meeting over there. And then I go over here to CapCut, press edit, press new project, and usually I use CapCut. Select a video and then add it to CapCut, and then I do all kinds of stuff. I can put cows mooing or, all kinds of stuff. See, you click sound effects. This is how I do it. This is how I edit my videos. I don't take other people's videos and make them mine. I don't understand why you came to that conclusion. But I'm not going to reapply for monetization because that part of it is really the least of my interest. The very least.